I can't stop. Stop it.
Oh, shit, my hair's getting longer. Okay. Come on.
You have the plain white spaghetti strap?
I just wear this here.
I got
Is it dirty? Is there any stains on it? No.
I don't think it shouldn't be because I wear ordinary shirt.
I can't do this. Oh.
Where's that at? Come out. Where's the phone?
I don't know.
Turn it up. Oh. Hello? What? I don't know.
Remember when you snorted?
We don't know. She said what time are we going to the mall, so her and Maria for me to stay.
Tell me to get my...
Tell her we'll go pick up Maria.
We'll call you.
We'll go pick up Maria.
Tell her, but I have my bag.
What am I? And she said, what about her?
Wow, what about
Tell
her?
her we'll call Maria. When we're done getting ready.
Okay, I got it. Wait. Oh, I hung up. She hung up. It went. I'm a car back, okay? Hey, how do I do this?
So
Call her back. No, she hung up on me. But I said the other way around. Sorry. I didn't. I'm still recording. I'm still recording. Oh. Hello. Do you call it? Oh, Cheyenne. Wait, why am I calling her? We're gonna get ready. Just go to Maria's house when you get ready right now. Go to Maria's house and we're gonna go to Maria's.
I can't go to Maria's in the daylight.
I don't want to go to Maria's.
Hey, Maria can't go until 3 anyways.
Well, I don't care about Maria.
She could go to...
Then what do you want to do?
Tell her
to go pick up my bag at Maria's.
and then we'll be there.
I don't know. What time are you? What time are we gonna get? After we're done getting ready, we're gonna go.
We'll call you.
Tell her we'll call her.
We'll just call you.
Tell her just go to the mall. We'll see her.
Just go to the mall. Bye. Peace.
I hate when she does that. It gets on my nerves. Like she has 50 questions. Like, well, what time are you being there? And she's just like, well, I want to go. Inviting her stuff. Come on. I'm in the shower.
You go take a shower.
Why are you telling her to take a shower?
Because she's not.